DoodleMaker is a next-generation artificial intelligence-powered video creation software that creates whiteboard, glassboard, blackboard, or any background doodle video in full color or black and white in just a few minutes. You have endless options and you have full flexibility as you can customize the color of your backgrounds, and yes, you can even upload your own custom image backgrounds as well. You can get started in 3 simple steps. First, choose from over 300 professional customizable templates from across a wide variety of industries, and these stunning video templates are in whiteboard format, glassboard format, and blackboard format, which you can immediately customize because they come with ready to go effects, animations, and professional voiceovers all done for you. It's the fastest and easiest way for you to create dynamic, colorful doodle videos for yourself and your clients at record speed. Every template is fully editable in our drag and drop canvas editor, and you can see your changes in real time. The second option is starting from scratch, where you can just paste simple text and the app automatically finds all the relevant doodle assets and creates your entire video, including fully synced text-to-speech voiceovers. The third option is where you can convert any YouTube video with voice into a doodle video by pasting a simple URL. The app automatically transcribes the video and creates the doodle video in over 70 languages. With just one click, you can have the app automatically create either black and white or even full color doodle videos in seconds that can be easily customizable even further with text effects, transitions, and a lot more. This means you can now convert your blog posts, articles, text, or any existing video into a doodle video easier than ever before. DoodleMaker comes with the largest assets library online, which means it gives you unlimited options to create multi-purpose videos for any industry. You can even upload your own photos and convert them into doodle videos with different hand styles and multiple animated transitions. Within 45 seconds, you will have a fully professional video ready no matter what option you pick. The artificial intelligence will do all the work for you. It's easier than using PowerPoint, and you can fully customize the layers, objects, and the timelines in just a few clicks on any device, even on the go. With our award-winning text-to-speech engine, you can create unlimited captivating doodle videos in over 60 plus languages that includes 160 male and female voices, and you have no limits in the usage of our text-to-speech engine ever. And to take your video creation to the next level, you can use DoodleMaker's one-click artificial intelligence video translation engine, which converts any video, including your existing DoodleMaker projects, into another language automatically, so you can reach international audiences without needing any creativity. You can make your videos pop by using our built-in background music library and preview your projects in real time to make sure you are on the right track. And once you're ready, simply hit the create video button and your video will be rendered in full HD 1080p quality on the cloud on our enterprise-grade Amazon servers without any watermarks. DoodleMaker offers unmatched versatility, and there is no other app in the marketplace that does what DoodleMaker can achieve at any price. We have a ton of other incredible features, such as our one-click photo to doodle converter technology that converts any image into a doodle style painting with unlimited artificial intelligence background removal features built in. This means you can remove backgrounds of unlimited photos and images and make them into doodle style colorful paintings in seconds. And once you create your project, you can sell the videos you create to unlimited clients for any price using our included commercial and enterprise use license. For how much you ask, you can easily sell each doodle video on freelancer platforms like Upwork.com, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, or directly to clients for $300 to $500 or more for each video. And that's just the start. Since you can create unlimited doodle videos by uploading your own voiceovers or using our built-in text-to-speech engine, or using our library of 300 plus professional male and female voiceovers, your profit potential is also unlimited and you can get started right away. We have step-by-step video training and industry-leading friendly customer support staff ready to assist you to ensure you are never left behind. So thank you for watching this demo of DoodleMaker. We hope to see you on the inside and get instant access to DoodleMaker. All you have to do is click on the button below to get started.